How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset your settings in FiveM. So in order to do this, we need to modify some settings on the game files itself. Just head over to your FiveM logo, right click on it, and then you want to click on the open file location. In here, click on the FiveM application data. It will simply take us inside the local FiveM and the application data itself. In here, it's as simple as navigating through the data folder. And then you want to delete this specific folders. The first one is going to be cache, second one, the server cache, and the last is the server cache private. This is basically where all of our settings or game settings is stored. So deleting this and basically opening up the game again will create a new cache, server cache, and the server cache priv, which will import the basic or default settings on the FiveM itself. And so from here, just open up your game and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.